ulitin, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. SB19 kasama isa sa mga 8 singers mula sa Asia para sa 8 Asian Pop performances sa Grammy. Yes, at heto nasusulat. Yes, P-Pop Kings, SB19s are included in the prestigious list of 8 Asian acts highlighted as top contenders for the Recording Academy's newly introduced Best Asian Pop Music Performance category ng Grammy. Kahit hindi kasama ang P-Pop as a whole music industry sa Grammy, sa naturang dagdag na kategory, kasama naman ang nag-iisang SB19, nag-iisang Filipino act, only Filipino group in the elite shortlist standing alongside massive global acts like Blackpink, Stray Kids, 17, New Jeans, Twice, Atis, XG, of course, nangunguna dyan, number 1, SB19 from the Philippines. At bakit napili ang SB19? Heto na susulat. SB19 was selected for their massive international following and their role in putting Pinoy group, Pinoy Pop on the global map. O diba mga bashers dyan, haters, dislikers, kayo ay maniniwala na. Dahil ito, galing mismo sa legit na Google. Ulitin ko, sila ay kasama ang SB19 bilang 8 contenders sa Recording Academy. Posibleng mag-perform silang 8 sa loob ng main stage ng Grammy sa Amerika. O diba, nakaka-proud bilang Pinoy dahil first Filipino act. Heto pa, magpatuloy tayo. Dagdag pa ni Google, the inclusions highlights how the international music conversation is expanding beyond traditional industry centers. The category itself honors recorded excellence in Asian pop tracks including G-pop, K-pop at C-pop that meaningfully used in Asian language. O diba sabi ko nga sa mga last video ko na hindi kasama ang P-pop, only G-pop, K-pop at C-pop. Subalit kasama ang SB19 from the Philippines na 8 contenders, isa sa mga 8 contenders ng Grammy Recording Academy. At heto pa, nasusulat about SB19 mula sa Google. SB19's historic global milestones, Grammy Museum Spotlight. Prior to this shortlist, the group made waves globally by holding a dedicated showcase at the Grammy Museum. Billboard milestones, SB19 became the first Southeast Asian act nominated for Top Social Artist at the Billboard Music Awards, made history with hits like Basenga, Gento, charting in Billboard's global chart. O diba, grabe ang achievements ng SB19, lahat nasusulat sa Google. Walang daya, walang kulang. So lahat ng Pinoy na fans ng P-Pop, 18, may pag-asa dahil kasama sa 8 contenders ang ating mahalima as contenders, syempre, para mag-perform sa Recording Academy sa Grammy sa Amerika. Ito rin po ay nasusulat sa Abante News Online at ang source nila MSN, Microsoft Network na nakabase sa Amerika. So, legit na legit at hindi scam ang balitang ito.